মাইক আসতেছে না।
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hello. Hello.
হ্যালো স্যার।
Yes, sir.
Hi,
Hello,
can you
sir.
hear?
Yes sir.
Salam salam. There was a
Yes
problem.
sir, here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, stop talking. I stop talking. I could not listen
অন্ধকারে খুঁজতেছিলাম স্যার আমি
clearly. Clearly, okay, stop talking.
আপনার অন্ধকারে খুঁজতেছিলাম স্যার আমি
Stop
আপনারে
talking,
পাইতেছিলাম
everyone. Stop talking, please.
ওকে স্যার
Can you hear me?
সামনে
Yes,
দেখা
sir.
যায়
Sir, yes, sir.
না
Hello.
Yes sir, we all here.
Hello.
Yes sir, we all hear
স্যার
you.
আপনাকে দেখা যায় না স্যার আপনাকে দেখা যায় না
Okay.
স্যার শুনতে পাচ্ছি।
Stop talking, please.
মেরাজ কথা কমায় কো।
Stop talking, please.
টেম্পো কথা
Okay.
কমায় কো।
Okay, look at this. Time is going out. So
Hello.
yeah, listen
Hello.
to this.
Super.
Stop talking. I do hear you. I can hear you. You stop talking, please.
ওকে স্যার মুট করে দিলাম জান
জি
স্যার
স্যার।
Okay. So the
Hello.
plane is,
সবাই মিউট।
number one, the
সবাই
plane is
mute কর।
dash. Look at this. The plane is dash in line to
Third
take
in
off.
line.
Third in line. Good. Number
Third
two,
in line.
the passengers are requested to fasten their
Seat belt.
Seat belt.
seat belts.
Seat belt.
All baggage.
স্যার এটা কত পৃষ্ঠা?
This is the page number. I cannot tell the page number. This is it on my slide. So
67.
you have to find it out. Okay. Number
Sir,
three,
under, sir, under.
all the baggage
Under,
to be
sir.
kept under. Okay,
Up-
under the
Up
seat
head.
or in the
আপনি
Under
কত
the seat.
স্যার
or in the
Under the seat.
Up head.
overhead
Overhead,
compartments. Overhead compartments. Okay.
কথা বুঝাই না স্যার
Stop talking, please. Overhead compartments.
কি করব
Up.
You stop talking, then you can hear. The seats are to be in
Upright.
upright position. Good.
Upright position.
Upright position.
দেখা যায় না
Number five, all
Electronic
personal
devices.
Electronic.
electronic devices.
Electronic device.
All the electronic devices
All.
are to be turned off. Okay. Six number. It is a
It is a non-smoking flight.
non-smoking flight.
Non-smoking flight.
Well done. Okay.
Sir, upright one is, sir.
Upright means straight. I gave the meaning in the previous lecture. You know. So there are some. Read the question carefully first. Okay. Read the
Yes, sir.
question first carefully. Okay. Then
Okay, sir.
the passage will be given. You have to answer the questions accordingly. Number one, who was speaking? Number two,
The captain.
okay, stop talking. First, read out the questions, then write the answers. After reading the text, what was the airspeed of the plane per hour? Number three, what's the time mentioned in the announcement? How is the weather? What is the temperature in Bangkok mentioned in the announcement? And number six, who will serve snacks and drinks and beverages? Okay.
Air hostess.
Now come to the text. Another tiny but somewhat important text for you. Look at this. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, passengers. This is your Captain Rashid Akbar speaking. Who is speaking? Captain Rashid Akbar speaking. First, I'd like to welcome. Welcome means
Swagotam.
similar meaning is
Greeting.
greet.
Greeting.
Similar meaning is greet.
Rating.
Like to, yes, welcome is a verb here, so similar meaning should be verb. I would like to welcome means greet everyone on flight BZ88. Where currently meaning I gave the meaning in the previous lecture.
At present.
Currently
At
meaning
present.
at present.
At present, sir.
Okay.
Presently.
Presently or at present. Cruising means
Flying.
flying at an altitude. Another important word. Altitude meaning
Height.
Height.
of 10058.40 feet at airspeed of 643.73
643.73.
per hour. So mind it. You need it to answer the question. You know, the time is 1:05
Boys.
p.m. The weather looks good, and with the tailwind on our side, we are expecting meaning.
To land.
Expect means wish or desire. Expect.
Anticipate.
Expect means we should desire to land in Bangkok approximately. Another important word, approximately.
মোটামুটি কাছাকাছি
Try about. Exactly. About. Approximately means about 15 minutes ahead of schedule. So the
tailwind মানে কি?
tailwind, the wind beside the plane or aircraft. Tailwind. The weather in Bangkok is clear and sunny. The temperature is 32 degrees Celsius for this afternoon. If the weather is good, we should get a great view of the city. Here, view means
Scenery.
yeah, very good. View means scenery.
Scenery.
You know the word view has different meanings. It can be scenery. It can be outlook, drishtibhangi. View can be a verb. Then it means see or look. So here view is a scenery. View is a noun here. It means scenery. Here view is a noun here. Important word for you. So view is a noun here. It means scenery. Get view of the city. That means get scenery of the city. Or sight. View, scenery, sight. Similar meanings these are. View, scenery, sight of the city as we descend. Descend, I gave the meaning. What does descend mean? Descend meaning?
Get down.
Get
Go
down.
down.
Get down.
Go down.
Get down.
Meaning get down, to get down. The cabin crew will be coming around in about 20 minutes time to offer you a light snack and drinks. You know, offer means give you a light snack. Light means tiny. Snack. Snack means
light
light food.
Light food.
Light food. Snack means light food. And drinks. Drinks, the word is known to you, I think. The in-flight movie,
Sir,
the movie, yes. Yeah, tell.
স্যার স্ন্যাক্স এর মধ্যে কি ড্রিঙ্কসও পড়ে
Snacks in mode, yes, it can be included in snacks. Okay, snacks and drinks. The in-flight movie, in-flight means movie. In-flight means inside the flight. Okay, inside the flight. In the flight. Movie will begin shortly. After that, after your snack and drinks, the in-flight movie will start. Okay, I will talk to you again before we reach our destination. So here before, I gave the question in the previous class. You know, after. Here before is a kind of parts of speech. What kind of parts of speech before is here?
Preposition.
Conjunction.
So it is similar to the previous one. You know?
Conjunction.
Yes. Before
Conjunction.
is preceded by a,
Conjunction.
look at this. Before is preceded
Conjunction.
by a clause and followed by a clause. Before. There is a subject and verb. And after before there is also a subject and verb.
conjunction
So this is a conjunction. Conjunction normally connects to clauses. So before is a conjunction here. Before can be a preposition. Can you give me an example? Before can be a preposition. Can anyone give an example? Okay, let me say. He came before me. Here before is a preposition. He came before me.
I am before you.
I am before you. This is preposition. Before can be an adverb. Can you give an example? Before can be an adverb. Adverb. Can you give an example? Okay, I am telling. He came before. He came before. So before is adverb here. Before is an adverb here. What's the difference between adverb and preposition? Can anybody tell? Yes. What is the difference between preposition and adverb? Same word can be a preposition and can be an adverb. What is the difference between an adverb and a preposition?
স্যার এখানে স্যার অ্যাডভার্ব হবে স্যার যখন হচ্ছে মানে ভার্বকে মডিফাই করবে আর যখন স্যার মানে নাউনকে মডিফাই করে বসবে তখন স্যার প্রিপোজিশন
Normal identity is that preposition is followed by a noun or pronoun. Preposition is usually followed by a noun or pronoun. But after adverb there is no noun or pronoun. After it modifies the verb. Okay, so this is the difference. Until then, sit back and enjoy the flight. Until then, sit back and enjoy the fun. This is the passage. Now answer. Who was speaking?
Captain Rashid.
Captain
Captain
Rashid
Rashid
Akbar.
Akbar is speaking. So again the question, who was speaking?
Captain Rashid
Captain
Akbar.
Rashid
Captain
Akbar is
Rashid Akbar.
speaking. Good.
Captain Rashid Akbar.
Number 2. What was the air speed of the plane per hour? The air speed
643.77 kilometer per hour.
Was per hour.
7376 kilometer per hour. Your answer is good. Okay. Number 3. What's the time mentioned? Mention meaning? Can anybody tell us the word mention meaning? What is the meaning of the word mention? Mention meaning? Bangla meaning উল্লেখ করে, English meaning? Write down the word, important word. You have to write down this. Cite, C-I-T-E, cite. উল্লেখ করা, mention. Don't talk. Okay.
মানে বানানটা আরেকবার বলবেন?
C-I-T-E, cite. Mention is a verb. Similar meaning is
আবার বলেন।
C-I-T-E. C-I-T-E, cite, উল্লেখ করা. Mention means cite. What is the time mentioned in the announcement?
1:25 p.m.
1:25 p.m.
Number 3, the time mentioned in the announcement was 1:25 p.m. Good. It's a good answer again. Number 4, question number 4. How is the weather?
The weather is fine.
The weather?
The weather is sunny and
Sunny and clear. The
Sunny
weather
and very
is sunny
clear.
and clear.
The weather is
Sunny and
very
clear.
sunny,
The weather
sunny
was
and
fine.
clear.
How is the weather?
Sir, was হবে না তো?
It was. Is fine. Is fine. Then the word given is good. Good or fine or sunny, etc. Okay. All are correct. You can write down good. You can write down fine. You can write down sunny. Oh. This is the answer. Your answer is very much correct. Number 5 number question. What's the temperature in Bangkok mentioned in the
32
announcement?
degrees Celsius.
32 degrees Celsius.
Answer is
32 degrees
the
Celsius.
temperature in
32 degrees
Bangkok.
Celsius.
The temperature Bangkok mentioned in the announcement is 32 degrees Celsius. Good. Again, good answer. Last one. Last one. Come to the last one. Who will serve snacks and drinks and beverages?
The cabin crew.
The cabin crew. Good. The cabin crew will serve snacks and drinks and beverages. So this is all about this lesson. I think that you have got everything important from the lesson. So have you any question on this query?
No, sir.
Then we will move to another lesson.
No question, sir. No.
No question, no query.
The crew মানে কি?
No sir.
Yes.
No sir.
The crew মানে কি?
Crew means the person who serves in the, normally the person who serves in the plane or in a normally plane, aeroplane, plane, etc. Then he's called or she's called a crew. So a crew member, the cabin crew will serve snacks and drinks and beverages. Okay. Come to the next lesson today. Okay. Now come to Unit 6, Lesson 6. Get reactive. Announcement on board. The title of the lesson is Announcement on Board 2. Announcement on Board 2. Okay, again, the keywords. Important words are there. Very much important words which are very necessary for you. Look at the words. Okay. Exit. Exit is a verb.
Departure.
It means exit is a verb. So similar meaning should be verb. Exit is a verb. So
Leave,
similar meanings are
depart.
leave or depart. Leave or depart. Exit means leave or depart. Okay. Locate. So exit can be a verb. Exit can be a noun also. But leave can be a verb. Leave can be a noun. But depart is a verb where depart noun form is. Can anybody tell? The noun form of depart is
Departure.
departure. Good.
Departure.
Adib. Very good. Adib Mahmood. Departure. Very good. So exit can be a verb. Exit can be a noun. Leave can be a verb. Leave can be a noun. But if depart is a verb. Depart. Char is a noun. Locate. Locate verb. Okay. Locate means চিহ্নিত করা, mark or identify. Identify. It's a verb. So locate a noun form.
Location.
Location. Good. Mark. Mark is a verb. Mark is a noun. Identify is a verb. And noun form is
Identification.
identification. Good. Very good. Okay. So monitor. Monitor. The root word is monitor. It's a verb. Monitor usually as verb. It can be an adjective also. So monitor verb or adjective. You know, ed is used sometimes to the verb to make adjective. So monitor is a verb. Monitored can be adjective. So verb and adjective at the same time. Similar meaning, observe. Similar meaning,
Detected
observe.
হয় না?
Detect, locate means
Detected
detect.
হয় না?
Locate means no. Monitor means observe. Monitor means observe. Detect means locate. Locate means detect or mark or identify something like that. But monitor means observe. Monitor, first form, observe. Assistance. The root word is assist. What does it mean? Assist.
Help.
সাহায্য করা।
Help. Assist is a verb. It means to help. Okay, it's a verb. But noun form is assistance. Assistance is a noun. Is similar meaning help. Help. You see, help is a verb. Help can be a noun. Help is a verb. Help can be a noun. Same way. Like leave. Leave can be a verb. Leave can be a noun. Exit can be a verb. Exit can be a noun. Another example. Water can be a verb. Water can be a noun. So there are some words like this. Same form, but in different parts of speech. Same word, so same pronunciation. Okay, secure. Secure means it's a verb.
Safe.
Secure means ensure. Ensure. Here ensure.
Safe.
Secured. If it is adjective, secured, then it means safe. So secure here means ensure. Okay. Assume is a verb. Yes, as a verb. Assume is a verb. It means here take. In this context, assume means take, but assume has different meaning. If it has a different meaning, assume has a different meaning. It's a common use to you. What does it mean? Can you tell? Different meaning. Assume.
Sir, আবার প্রশ্নটা বললেন।
Suppose.
Assume here it
Suppose.
means assume. Good answer. Assume here it means take, to take. Okay.
Take.
Assume bracing position. So it means take, but assume has a different meaning, and you usually use it.
The suppose.
Suppose. Good.
Suppose.
Suppose. The assume can have different meaning. It means suppose. Then assume, noun form of assume is. Can anybody tell the noun form of assume?
Assumption. Assumption.
Assumption. Somebody has. Sumitra Das has said suppose. Probably. Is it?
Assumption.
Assumption. Good. Sumitra Das. Very good. Assumption. You are telling the same way that you respond in the class. Very good. Everybody is trying. Adib also trying. Very good. Everyone is trying here to tell the answer, to respond in the class. So assume means, here assume means take, but assume has a different meaning. It means suppose, and its noun form is assumption. Assumption. Good. Very good. Bracing position. Actually, it's a phrase. Bracing position is a particular position that we will find here later in the text. No, don't say like this. Don't say like this. I will meet you.
ঠিক না স্যার।
Okay. So bracing position means bending position. Okay. We will explain it in later. If it is given in the text, I will find it the meaning. You will find the meaning of it. Okay. Pose mean. Pose is a noun. What does it mean? Little bag.
Parts.
Little bag. Parts for the women, but normally it means little bag. Firmly, firm. Firm is an adjective. Firmly adverb. Firm. What does the word firm mean? Who can tell?
দৃঢ়ভাবে
স্যার জোরে করে
Constantly.
Firm, firm, firm.
constantly
Strongly.
constantly constantly
Firm means strong. Firm means strong. Firm. Zero. And it becomes an adjective, but firmly adverb. Firmly adverb. Firmly means
yes
strongly.
constantly হয় না স্যার
Strongly, no, strongly. Firmly means strongly. Okay. So firmly adverb, it means strongly. Zero bhabe. Turbulence, another important word. It's an unknown, totally unknown word to you. This word has for the first time come in your text. You did not find the word even in class 6 or 7. I think, as I know. Here, this is the very important but exceptionally different word for you, but important. Turbulence.
স্যার ভায়োলেন্ট হয় না
Turbulence
Violence.
noun. Turbulence is a noun. So the similar should be noun. Violence can be similar.
violence
Okay?
violence
Violence can be similar to this. Violence can be similar to this. Okay. Another meaning. Other meanings are hesitation. Hesitation. Another meaning unrest.
sir.
Unrest. Agitation. Turbulence. Important word. Important word. So the words are very much important. Okay. You have to mind the word, mind the meaning of the words, preserve these in your memory, and you will need this the coming text to understand. Okay. Now come to the text. It's a large one, and you know this text is very much important for your exam. For any kind of exam, this passage is very much important. I think you have to know thoroughly the passage, each and every word's meanings here. Okay. Oxygen and the air pressure are always being monitored. Pressure means
স্যার
pressure. The common word to you, I think. What does the word pressure mean? Bangla
Sir,
meaning chap,
tight.
okay, but English meaning pressure. Stress.
tight.
S-T-R-E-S, stress. S-T-R-E-S,
yes, sir.
stress. Pressure, stress. Write down the meaning. If you know, better. If you don't know, you can write down this. Pressure. Pressure is a noun here. Air pressure. So pressure is similar to stress. Are always being monitored. Are always being. This is present continuous tense in passive form. Always being monitored. Present continuous tense in passive form. Are being monitored. You know being. The being word is used in continuous.
voice
In passive form in
voice
continuous
tense
tense. Is it okay? In passive form in continuous tense. And being also is also followed by past participle of the verb. Being is also followed by the past participle of the verb. In the event of a lack of oxygen, lack is a noun here. Oxygen and oxygen mask.
want necessity
Want for
Necessity.
lack. Okay. And oxygen mask will automatically appear in front of you. Automatically, I gave the meaning before. I think automatically means directly. Automatically. Directly appear in front of you. Appear means appear in front of you.
before.
Appear means
come
come.
before
visible
Come before
sir
you.
visible
Yes, it becomes visible. Appear means come. You know, appear is followed by at least 4 prepositions with 4 different meanings. Do you know? Appear is followed by 4 different prepositions with 4 different meanings. 1. Appear to.
উপস্থিত
means-
হওয়া
Appear to. It means seem, mone howa. Appear before. It means hajir howa. Samne hajir howa. Appear
Hajir howa.
in. To sit for exam. Porikha deya. And appear
প্রকাশিত হওয়া
appear in progress to be published, right? And appear before means hajir howa.
জি স্যার প্রকাশিত হওয়া
Appear before to be present. Appear before to be present. And appear
Hajir
at.
howa।
Appear at.
প্রকাশিত হওয়া
স্যার
Appear-
অ্যাপিয়ার টু কি বলছিলেন?
Appear to seem, mone howa. Appear to seem. Mone howa, appear in. To publish.
প্রকাশিত হওয়া
Prakashito howa. Appear before.
হাজির হওয়া
Hajir
হাজির
howa.
হওয়া
Appear at. Sit for exam. To give
হাজির
exam. To take exam, appear at. Okay. So appear is followed by 4 preposition and 4 different meaning. Appear in front of you. Tomar samne hajir hobe. It will be present before you. Pull the mask towards you and Place it firmly. Firmly means strongly. Place means set. It firmly over your nose and mouth. Secure the
firmly
elastic
মানে কি?
band. Huh?
ফার্মলি মানে কি?
I gave the meaning. Firmly means you say strongly. Zero bhabe. Over your nose and mouth. Secure the elastic band behind your head and breathe normally. Breathe means
শ্বাসকষ্ট মানে
inhale and exhale.
শ্বাস প্রশ্বাস নেওয়া।
শ্বাস প্রশ্বাস না, inhale and exhale. Breathe normally means usually. So take breathe normally. If you are traveling with a child or someone who requires assistance, require means
ডিমান্ড নেসেসিটি
require means need assistance, help. Secure your mask on first and then assist the other person help the other person. Keep your mask on until a uniform crew member advises you to remove it. In the event of an emergency means crisis. Emergency is a noun. Crisis, it means here crisis. Emergency means crisis. Please assume the bracing position. So we talked about the bracing position. Now the whole meaning. That is, lean forward with your hands on top of your head. Lean forward, Shamni, in front of you, with your hands on top of your head, like this. Okay. So top of your head and your elbows against your thighs. Use elbows against your thighs. Ensure your feet are flat on the floor. Your feet should be flat on the floor. A life vest is located in pouch under your seat or between the armrest. A life vest meaning vest normally means jacket.
সেলফলেস শার্ট
Yes, Rohan, jacket.
সেলফলেস শার্ট
Okay, huh? Vest means jacket. Normally we can tell it jacket is located in place. Located means placed in a pouch under your seat or between the armrests. When instructed means meaning advised or informed.
order
Not actually order here. It means suggested or informed or advices. To do so, open the plastic pouch and remove the vest. Then slip it over your head. Pass the straps around your waist and adjust at the front. You have to adjust it in the front. To inflate the vest,
harmonize,
adjust, unite,
harmonize, arrange.
Yes. To inflate the vest,
arrange.
Okay, children, it's okay. To inflate the vest, pull firmly on the red cord before you leave the aircraft. Okay. We remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. You will find this and all the other safety information in the card located in the seat pocket in front of you. We strongly suggest you read it before you take off. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask on our crew members. We wish you all an enjoyable flight. Enjoyable adjective flight now.
Sir, hesitate মানে কি?
Hesitate means
দ্বিধা.
So this is the text.
ইতস্তত করা।
Okay, this is the meaning, Bangla meaning. Okay, it's a good meaning. Hesitate. We have 1 minute more. One minute more. So there is a rearrange. There is a matching in your text. Look at this, A and B.
স্যার বুঝি না স্যার, কিছুই বুঝতেছি না স্যার।
Why not?
Are always monitored.
Yes, sir.
There is a. Can you see? Is it understandable? Can you understand the table?
স্যার ভালো দেখা যাচ্ছে না।
স্যার ভালো দেখা যায় না স্যার, বুঝে যায় না।
Yes, sir. জুম কর।
Okay, 1 minute more.
দেখা যাইতেছে স্যার।
Let's come again. Can you come again? Can you come? Can you join again? Can you join again? Then we can complete the lesson.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you come again?